Aloha! Kepo'okela Cultural Foundation proudly presents Straight from Hawaii to You, the best of Hawaiian music featuring Kuana Torres Kahele and Lorna Lim. Kuana, coming from an impressive lineage of musicians, released his greatly anticipated solo CD, Kauna Loa, and won 7 Nahoku Hanohano Awards in 2012. Album of the Year, Artist and Producer, Song of the Year, Nava Carols, Male Vocalist of the Year, Hawaiian Album of the Year, Linear Notes, and Graphics. Lorna Lim's beautiful voice, her deep knowledge of hula, and her connection to the Big Island's music tradition place her among Hawaii's living treasures. The Academy of Recording Artists presented the 2012 Nahoku Hanohano Lifetime Achievement Awards honoring the Lim family. Join us in this wonderful celebration of Hawaiian music, dance, and our cultural heritage. Saturday, March 9th at the Segundo Performing Arts Center. For more information or to purchase tickets, go to www.kpcf.net.